There are many essentials in understanding the basics of heat safety and principles of the fire triangle. The fire triangle is composed of three components needed for fire: oxygen, heat, and fuel. In my cooking video, I'll be using a gas stove where methane is the fuel, ignition coming out of the stove is the heat, and oxygen is already the present bonds in the kitchen. In case of a fire, it is highly essential to make sure that all the fire alarms in the house are working properly so everyone in the house can stay safe. Another way you can make sure to know how to be safe during a fire is to know how to deal with it in case something catches on fire. One way you can help stop the fire is by first turning off the stove and using a lid to cover the burning pan so that there will be no oxygen interaction with the fire. In the first part, I boil the water for 10 minutes. When the pot of water is placed on the stove to boil, conduction heat warms up the pot, which then heats up the water molecules inside. Conduction is one of the main ways that heat energy transfers from one atom and a molecule to the pot of water so it can boil. Boiling water involves breaking the intermolecules hydrogen bonds that holds water in a liquid state. The energy that it takes is called the heat of vaporization. This water boils by vaporization, which a liquid boils and changes to gas. While boiling the water, I've noticed that the temperature was hot when near the flame. Radiation is the energy that comes from a source. In this case, is the stove and travels through space at the speed of light. When radiation is present, high energy particles pass through your body, which can eventually lead to cancer. Boiling the water and keep stirring to avoid the milk sticking to the bottom. Once the milk comes to a boil, add the sugar. Boil the milk about 3 to 4 minutes.